This recipe will unlock memories. That salty cake that usually we used to make on the old days, all right? And I don't know why people doesn't make it anymore because it's super yummy. Now in a frying pan, guys, let's start with some oil and fry it, the onion and garlic, okay? And if you don't like it, you don't need to put it. Now the chicken, I'm already using the one that comes cooked, okay? It's about 600 grams of it. 1 chopped tomato, salt to taste, black pepper, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And let's mix everything very well. Our filling is already done. Now in a blender, let's add a can of corn, a cup of milk, black pepper, salt, and let's beat everything very well. And let's put it together with the chicken and also 200 grams of cream cheese. I also added some green onion and parsley, but it's totally optional. There are a lot of people that don't like it, okay? Now with the filling done in a form, we are going to use a plastic, just the way you can see it, and fill it with bread. Okay guys, I cut it very well, and let's put some cream cheese on top of them, spread it all over the corners, then some smashed potatoes. I didn't make this mashed potato on the video, guys, because it's super simple, right? Then let's put a layer of the chicken, also some grated carrot. Let's cover it with bread. And let's make another layer of it, okay? And then we are going to cover it all with some plastic, as you can see on the video, and take it to the fridge from one day to the other. Done that, now you just have to, decorate it because it's on a place it won't tear down. I passed some mayonnaise on this cake, and then I covered it with some shoestring potato, carrots, and tomatoes, and olives as well. Look how beautiful it is, guys, seriously. And you can use your creativity right here, use different ingredients as well. And now you just have to cut it, and seriously, guys, it's so good. This cake on the old days had in all of the birthday parties. And I don't know why people stopped making it, because it's simple and so good. There were people that preferred this one than the sweet cake. Make it at your house and surprise the new generation, because I'm pretty sure that your kids had never seen a salty cake in their lives. Make it there and then tell me what you thought about it. Kisses, and see you guys on the next video.